Have you ever wondered if there exists an island that houses such unique and peculiar plants that you would think they're straight out of a fantasy novel? Well, such a place does exist. Allow me to introduce you to Socotra Island. This island is not just another spot on the map, it's a marvel of nature, a spectacle of biodiversity that is truly unparalleled. Nestled in the azure waters of the Arabian Sea, Socotra Island is an integral part of Yemen. Yet it is quite isolated from the mainland, both geographically and ecologically. This isolation has allowed the island to evolve independently, fostering the growth of an array of unique plants and animals. Its distinctiveness and ecological importance have not gone unnoticed. The United Nations has recognized Socotra Island as a global protected area. This is no small feat. It's a testament to the island's invaluable contribution to the world's biodiversity. But what makes Socotra Island really stand out is its extraordinary flora. The island is home to hundreds of plant species that can't be found anywhere else in the world. Imagine walking through a landscape dotted with plants that look like they've been plucked from a whimsical dream. You'll find flowers shaped like black camels and monkeys, adding a touch of the fantastical to the scenery. Then there are flowers that bear an uncanny resemblance to brides, their white petals unfolding like delicate veils. And let's not forget the flowers that mimic the form of birds, their vibrant colors making them a sight to behold. Each plant, each flower on Socotra Island tells a tale of evolution, of survival, and of nature's creativity. They're not just plants, they're living pieces of art that have been crafted by the hands of time and nature. So if you're intrigued by the mysteries of nature, Socotra Island is a treasure trove waiting to be explored. This island is not just a geographical entity, but a living, breathing museum of nature's artistry, a testament to the wonder and diversity of life on our planet. Imagine stumbling upon flowers shaped like black camels, monkeys, and even brides. Sounds surreal, doesn't it? Welcome to the floral wonders of Socotra Island, an extraordinary botanical paradise where the unusual is every day. This island, a global protected area, is home to some of the most unique and enchanting flora, with many species found nowhere else on Earth. One such marvel is the desert rose, a peculiar plant that has adapted to the island's arid conditions. Its swollen trunk, akin to a bottle, stores water for survival. Its flowers? Well, they are a sight to behold, with vibrant pink petals that could easily be mistaken for a blushing bride's bouquet. Next, we have the hurrah tree, a true spectacle of evolution. This tree, with its distinctive gnarled branches and tiny leaves, has adapted to the harsh weather by minimizing water loss. But the real wonder lies in its flowers. The hurrah's blossoms are a deep velvety black, their shape uncannily similar to a camel's hump. Talk about a botanical doppelganger. Then there's the cucumber tree, a plant that defies conventional tree forms with its succulent, swollen trunk and branches. Its flowers are a sight to see. They bloom in clusters, each one resembling a playful monkey swinging from the tree's branches. And let's not forget the Socotra starling, a flower that pays homage to the island's avian residents. Its petals, a radiant yellow, spread out like a bird in flight, creating a stunning spectacle against the backdrop of the island's rugged terrain. These floral wonders are not mere coincidences, but the result of millions of years of evolution, each plant adapting to the island's unique conditions in its own peculiar way. These adaptations have given rise to some of the most unusual and beautiful forms, turning Socotra Island into a living museum of natural history. These floral wonders are nature's own masterpieces painted on the canvas of Socotra Island. Among the many unique plants on Socotra Island, one literally stands out: the dragon blood tree. The dragon blood tree, or Dracaena cinnamomum, is a sight to behold with its peculiar umbrella-like shape. Its crown of leaves, dense and evergreen, fans out from the top of its trunk, forming a natural canopy that seems to defy gravity. This unusual design isn't just for show, it's a brilliant adaptation for survival, designed to capture mist and dew in the arid Socotra climate, providing precious water for the tree. But the true drama of the dragon blood tree lies beneath its bark. When cut or damaged, the tree bleeds a deep red resin, giving it its evocative name. This resin, known as dragon's blood, has been valued for centuries for its medicinal properties and as a vibrant natural dye. It's even been used as varnish for violins. The dragon blood tree plays a significant role in the island's ecosystem. Its broad canopy provides shade and shelter for a variety of creatures, and its fallen leaves return nutrients to the soil, fostering a rich biodiversity around it. However, this majestic tree is not without its threats. Overgrazing by livestock, climate change, and unsustainable harvesting of its valuable resin are all challenges to its survival. In fact, the dragon blood tree is now classified as vulnerable by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. Despite these threats, the dragon blood tree continues to thrive, standing as a symbol of resilience in the face of adversity. Its striking silhouette graces the hillsides of Socotra, a constant reminder of the island's unique botanical treasures and the importance of their preservation. As we continue to marvel at the wonders of Socotra Island, let's remember the dragon blood tree, a testament to the power of adaptation, a beacon of biodiversity, and a symbol of the unique and precious natural world we are privileged to share. The dragon blood tree, a symbol of resilience and uniqueness, truly encapsulates the essence of Socotra Island. The desert rose of Socotra, a plant that defies the conventional idea of beauty in nature. Meet the Socotra desert rose, a botanical marvel that stands as a testament to the fascinating adaptability of life. This plant, a species of the Adenium genus, possesses an intriguing shape that is nothing short of a natural sculpture. Its swollen bulbous base, known as a caudex, serves as a water storage system, a perfect adaptation to the arid conditions of the Socotra Island. The desert rose grows up to 10 feet tall, with a base that can span up to 3 feet in diameter. Its branches, twisted and gnarled, reach out like the arms of a dancer frozen in time, each one adorned with clusters of vibrant flowers. These blossoms, ranging in color from deep pink to brilliant white, add a burst of color to the otherwise stark landscape. But the Socotra desert rose is more than just an aesthetic wonder. It plays a crucial role in the local ecosystem. Its flowers provide nectar for various insects, while its leaves serve as a food source for the caterpillars of several butterfly species. The plant's seeds, encased in a fluffy fiber, are dispersed by the wind, ensuring the propagation of the species across the island. The desert rose's resilience is awe-inspiring. It thrives under the scorching sun, in rocky, nutrient-poor soil, conditions that would be inhospitable to most other plants. This hardy plant has not only survived but flourished, sculpting the landscape of Socotra Island with its unique form. Yet, the desert rose is not immune to the threats faced by the rest of the island's flora. Overgrazing, habitat loss, and climate change pose significant challenges to its survival. It is our responsibility to protect this plant, along with the rest of Socotra's unique species, to ensure that future generations can witness their unconventional beauty. The desert rose, with its unconventional beauty and resilience, adds a touch of surrealism to the already fantastical landscape of Socotra Island. Socotra Island is not just a spectacle of nature's creativity, but also a stark reminder of the importance of conservation. In the heart of the Arabian Sea, this unique island boasts a wealth of biodiversity, with more than a third of its plant species found nowhere else on the planet. However, these natural treasures are under threat. Climate change, with its rising temperatures and shifting weather patterns, is altering the delicate balance of Socotra's ecosystems. The island's singular flora, adapted over millions of years to its specific climate and conditions, are now faced with an uncertain future. Human activities too pose a significant risk. Overgrazing by livestock, unsustainable harvesting of plant resources, and the introduction of non-native species can all have devastating impacts on the island's biodiversity. The unique flora, like the enigmatic dragon blood tree and the Socotra desert rose, are particularly vulnerable to these threats. Yet, there is hope. Conservation efforts are underway to protect and preserve Socotra's unique biodiversity. These initiatives focus on sustainable practices, such as regulated grazing and harvesting, and the prevention of non-native species introduction. They aim to strike a balance between the needs of the local communities and the preservation of the island's unique ecosystems. These efforts are not just about saving individual species, but about preserving the intricate web of life that they are part of. The dragon blood tree, for instance, is not just a plant but a microcosm of life. It provides shelter and sustenance to a host of other species, playing a pivotal role in the island's ecosystem. Conservation is not just about the here and now, it's about safeguarding our planet's unique treasures for future generations. It's about ensuring that our children and their children can marvel at the wonders of nature just as we do today. The story of Socotra Island is a testament to nature's resilience and diversity. It serves as a reminder that we, as stewards of the earth, have a responsibility to protect and preserve our planet's unique treasures for future generations.